Hi there. I just want to review a couple of things on the syllabus to make sure that we're all on the same page. Um, these are not necessarily things that came up in the syllabus questions section because I've reviewed all of those. So again, just want to point out some key information here in case you missed it. My office hours are Tuesdays from 9:30 to 12:30. It doesn't mean you have to come in person. You can call my office. The number's right there. I'm also able to see you online in the Blackboard portal, where I can actually show you my screen and work through different things if that's your preferred learning style. Quizzes in this class are extremely important. They're half of your grade, so I can't stress enough. This is a 400 level course, and if you signed up for an online course, you're pretty much committing to working independently, being responsible for getting your reading done, reviewing the slides on your own. And so if you do that and you commit to studying the material a minimum of an hour a week, you'll do well in this course. If you think that you can take the quiz 5 minutes before the absolute last hour, which would be 9 p.m., and you're just going to use Google and control find your way through the slides, you're not going to do well. You have to have read the information first, then go through the slides, then ask yourself key questions, make sure that you are retaining the information, and shoot me emails about stuff that still seems confusing. And I'm happy anytime to respond and set up time to meet. This class has mini assignments, so at the end of your PowerPoint slides, you'll find that there are homework assignments. They're not all captured in the syllabus. Most of my other online classes, I require you to log in the first half of the week to mark your attendance. These mini assignments take the place of that requirement. So make sure that you are going through the slides. It's the only way you're going to know some weeks if there are mini assignments. There are many assignments that I do have on the syllabus because they are related to your final assignment, your final paper. So please make sure that you're doing that. Schedule time in your calendar to actually work on this course. If you're just going on the fly, oh, it's Wednesday, let me see what's due this week, you're not going to do well. This HSA 402 is supposed to be the ultimate outcome of your program, one of the ultimate outcomes where you're able to really showcase all of the skills that you've built through the program. It's not just another elective that you can kind of skim through. It really ties together most of what you've learned in your other classes, from your behavioral health class to your epi and your biostats. So again, if this is an area where you're struggling, especially we're going to have a couple weeks coming up that are all quantitative data analysis, please reach out to me. Don't wait until the last minute when you're in danger of failing the class. If I get a sense that folks are cheating on the quizzes, then they'll also end up timed per week on the same day and time. So please make sure that you're working on the quizzes independently. They are individual exercises. I've been having trouble with folks posting my materials online, so again, I don't give permission for any of my documents or assignments to be posted online. If I find that you have done that, your grade will be affected in this course. So again, your quizzes are based on the textbook, PowerPoint slides, and supplemental reading. A note on the short answer. Excuse me, I'm not feeling well today. A note on the short answer. The short answer for the first quiz is worth 16 points. So if you see a 16-point question, that's not something that you can just, jot down one sentence and keep moving, especially when the instructions call for a paragraph. So with those short answers, make sure that you're proofreading them, that you are highlighting in the question. You're allowed paper and pen. So write the points that you're going to address from the question on your paper, even before you start typing. There's more than enough time. Okay, so here we are. In terms of the assignments for this course, you were charged last week with looking for an article. I posted a video about how to use the Lehman sites. Many of you took advantage of that assignment to post an article that looks like will be related to your final paper. And that's the goal of these mini assignments. You shouldn't just be Googling any health topic and posting something just to have the assignment done. You're wasting your time. Um, every mini assignment should build into the other ones. I'm going to post another video of exactly what I'm looking for the final project. Your midterm, if you skimmed these first couple of weeks and you're still not clear on the differences between program evaluation and research, your midterm is going to be a critique of a program evaluation. So for example, if you get the question wrong about what kind of evaluation is this, you want to go back now in the week that you've been gifted, which I believe is next week, the 17th to the 21st is your catch-up week. You want to go back and you want to review, or here it says the 15th to the 21st, you want to review all of that information on program evaluation. Come meet with me, send me questions, because that's what your midterm is about. You have other assignments, and like I said, there are mini assignments, aka homeworks, that are at the end of your slides. So if you don't go through your slides, you're going to miss assignments that will pop up. That is my way of managing the attendance for this class. So that's the end of part 1. I'll post a part 2 video, voiceover that talks specifically about the final.